Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th maths chapter 6 linear inequality, we are going to do the basic concepts of linear inequality and solution of exercise 6.1. So students, first of all we will know about inequality. Two real number are two algebraic expression related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to form an equality, right? In linear equality, an inequality is said to be linear if each variable occurs in first degree only and there is no term involving the product of the variable. For example, ax plus b less than equal to 0, ax plus by plus c greater than 0, ax less than equal to 4, right? An inequality in one variable in which degree of variable is 2 is called quadratic inequality in one variable, right? For example, ax square plus bx plus c greater than equal to 0 and 3x square plus 2x plus 4 less than equal to 0. Linear inequality in one variable. So what is linear equality in one variable? A linear inequality which has only one variable is called linear inequality in one variable. For example, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b less than 0 where a does not is equal to 0. Similarly, 4c plus 7 greater than equal to 0, right student? Now next is rule for solving inequality. If a is greater than b, then a plus or minus k greater than equal to b plus or minus k, where k is any real number. If a is greater than b, then ka is not always greater than kb. If k is greater than 0 means positive, then a is greater than b, which implies ka is greater than kb. If k less than 0 means it is negative, then a is greater than equal to b. In this case, ka less than or equal to kb. Thus, always reverse the sign of inequality while multiplying or dividing both sides of inequality by negative number. Next is procedure to solve a linear inequality in one variable. So first point is what? Simplify both the sides by removing graph symbol and collecting like terms. Next, remove fraction or decimals by multiplying both sides by appropriate factor, means LCM of denominator or a power of 10 in case of decimal. Isolate the variable one side and all constant on the other side, means collect like term wherever possible. Next is make the coefficient of variable. Make the coefficient of variable. Choose the solution set from the replacement set. What is? Choose the solution set from the replacement set. So students, these points you will have to keep it in mind while solving the linear inequality with one or two variable. Next is type of inequality. Numerical inequality. An inequality which does not involve any variable is called a numerical inequality. For example, 4 is greater than 2, 8 is less than 21. Then literal inequality. An inequality which have variable is called literal inequality. For example, x less than 7, y is greater than equal to 11, x minus y less than equal to 4. Strict inequality. An inequality which have only less than or greater than is called strict inequality. 3x plus y less than 0, x greater than 0. Slack inequality, an equality which has only greater than or equal to less than equal to called slack inequality. Right, student? Now let us solving few linear inequality over here. So considering the first question, solve 24x less than 100, right? And its solution should be in the form of in x is natural number, and second solution should be x is an integer. So first of all, solving this linear equality, 24x less than 100, right? So dividing both side by 24, so 24x divided by 24, 100 divided by 24. Okay, student, so here we are getting x less than, by simplifying this 100 divided by 24 over here, so we are getting what, 25 divided by 6, right? If we divide 25 by 6, so approximately we will get 4 point something. So we want to natural number which should be less than 4 point something, right? So the natural number less than 4 point something means 4, 3, 2, 1. So, and second is solution should be an integer, means integer less than 4 point something. So the terms will be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and up to dash dash dash. Okay, student, these are the solution in the form of natural number and integer of the given linear inequality. Let us see the second one. Here we have to solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So the solution should be integer and second solution should be real number, right? So let us see the solution. Here 3x plus 8 is greater than 2, so separating the constant term, so we are getting 3x greater than 2 minus 8, so 3x greater than minus 6, so x greater than minus 6 by 3, so x greater than minus 2. So we have to take the solution in the form of integer, so the integer more than minus 2, so there will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to dash dash dash, right? These are a solution set of integers. Next we want to find a real number. So in real number, here x is greater than minus 2. So we know that real number extend from minus infinity to infinity. So here we will take the open interval for minus 2 and up to open interval minus infinity. So the finally the solution set will be minus 2 to plus infinity, right? Now the next one is, here we have to solve 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So here it has been given that 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So separating the variable one side, so like term means 4x minus 5x plus 3 minus 5x less than 7. So we are getting 4x minus 5 means minus x, so 7 minus 3, so x minus x less than 4, so x will be greater than minus 4. So the solution set x greater than minus 4 will be minus 4 to positive infinity. Let us see the next question. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. So here it has been given that x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11, taking the LCM over here, right? So LCM is 6. So there will be 6x plus here will be 3x 2x less than 11. So finally we are getting 11x less than 11 into 6. So x will be 11 into 6 divided by 11. So x less than 6. So the solution set in real number. So minus infinity to 6, open interval minus infinity to 6. Okay student. Now the next question, here we have to solve 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6x minus 2. Okay students, here it has been given that 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6x minus 2. Okay, of the bracket over here 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. So here we are getting 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12, taking the variable terms one side means like term, right? So we are getting minus 2x less than minus 8. So x will be so if we are multiplying, the symbol will be changed. So we are getting 2x greater than 8, so x is greater than 4. So the solution set will be from 4 to positive infinity. So solution set will be 4 to positive infinity in open interval. Okay student. Now moving to the next question, solve and represent on real line. Solve and represent on the real line, a number line, right? Here the equation is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. So first of all, taking the like term one side, so 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2, so x less than 3. So solution set will be minus infinity to 3 in open interval, right? So here it is open interval, so we will not consider the value 3. So at point 3 we will put the blank circle, right? Means okay, so the solution set from minus infinity to 3. So the line representing minus 3 to infinity will be little bit dark, so which represent minus infinity to 3. Understood student? Is it clear? Now moving to the next question, 3 in the bracket 1 minus x less than 2x plus 4. Here 3 1 minus x less than 2x plus 4. So of the bracket 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. So separating the like term, minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3. So minus 5x less than 5. So 5x will be greater than minus 5 by changing the sign. So x will be greater than minus 1. So the solution set will be minus 1 to plus infinity. Solution set will be minus 1 to plus infinity in open interval. So the solution, so representing these things on the number line, so the points between minus 1 to positive infinity. So minus 1, the point on minus 1 will be open circle, right? Here the circle will be open because we are considering the interval minus infinity, minus 1 to infinity is an open interval. So the solution set minus 1 to infinity. So here has been the next question, x by 2 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. Okay student. So first of all, separating the like term over here, so splitting the terms, 5x minus 3 minus, right? In this way we can split the terms. Now taking the LCM of like term over here, separating the like term, x minus 2 minus 5x by 3 plus 7x by 3 greater than equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So taking the LCM we are getting 30. So here will be 15x minus 50x, here will be 42x, greater than equal to LCM will be 15, so we are getting minus 10 plus 9. Okay, by simplifying these things we are getting 7x by 30 is greater than equal to minus 1 by 15. By simplifying over here, 30 will be cancelled by 15, so 2 will be there, so 7x greater than equal to minus 1 into 2, so 7x is greater than equal to minus 2, so x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. So this point lies between 0 to minus 1. So the point from 0 to minus 1 to minus to positive infinity, but here will be close open interval, right? So the solution set will be minus 2 to 2 by 7 to plus infinity. So the point from zero minus 1 to 0, because 2 by 7 lies between minus 1 to 0, so here we are representing minus 2 by 7, right? This will be dark circle because this is closed interval from minus 2 and open interval at plus infinity. So this represent the solution of the given equation. Okay student, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sarji.